Jackie Kennedy. And I was like, oh, thank you. And then I'm going a little crazy. All this right here is things that are going to go in my purse. I wear this on so many trips. A few backup items. It is going to be very hot in DC. It's because that just kind of grosses me out. If you're looking for a really good, like, versatile crossbody travel bag. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Erica, and welcome to another Pack With Me vlog. We are going on a very quick weekend trip to one of my favorite cities in all of the US. We are headed to DC this weekend, and let me just say, I don't think DC gets the love or the hype that she deserves. I love DC so much. There are so many fun things to do, incredible museums, amazing restaurants, and overall the city is just so beautiful. And I'm really excited about this trip because it's a siblings trip. I'm flying with my brother to DC to visit my other brother that lives in DC. And yeah, we're just gonna have like a fun weekend in DC. So if you guys are interested in coming along our little DC travel adventure, make sure you subscribe down below. But like I said, in this video, we are packing for DC and we leave tomorrow. And I just started packing today, which, if you know me, is very unlike me. I'm usually the packer that packs like a week to a week and a half in advance, but because this is such a quick trip, I didn't need that much planning or prep. We are literally gonna be in DC for like a little over 48 hours, so it's a very quick trip, very easy trip to pack and plan for. So yeah, in this video, I'm gonna show you guys everything I'm bringing on this trip and also just kind of share my overall packing tips and tricks and hacks and all that good stuff. So if you guys are excited to pack with me for DC, please give the video a big thumbs up. Without further ado, guys, let's get into it. So here is a quick overview of everything I'm packing. So I have mostly all of the clothes here on the bed. I have a couple of clothes that are hanging up, and everything is gonna go in this carry-on away suitcase and then my backpack. So like I said, this is a very quick trip. I'm packing a couple extra outfits just because I will definitely have the space. But for the most part, I'm just packing very minimal. It might not look like it, but I swear, this is minimal for me. And then, yeah, I have kind of like all my clothes over here, and then makeup, toiletries, tech, sunglasses, stuff that's going in my purse and all of that. So let me first show you guys like the outfits that I'm gonna bring and that I'm planning on wearing, and then we'll kind of move like this way to the bed and I'll show you all that stuff over there. So first things first, travel day outfit. So we're flying like late Thursday night, and then again, we'll be there for 2 days, so Friday and Saturday, and then we fly back early on Sunday. So for our travel day, this is what I'm planning on wearing. So I just have this cute graphic tee, and then I'm going a little crazy. I'm gonna wear jeans. I usually never wear jeans on a plane. It's either leggings or sweatpants, but I'm flying from Michigan to DC, so it's a very, very quick flight, and I know I won't be uncomfortable in jeans, and these are one of my most comfortable pair of jeans, so I thought, why not? I'll wear jeans on the plane. I am not someone who can wear shorts because that just kind of grosses me out, so I have to wear some kind of pants, so I'm gonna wear the jeans. It is going to be very hot in DC. We're going in June, and it's going to be very hot. So when we land, I may change into shorts. We'll see depending on how I'm feeling, but this is going to be my travel day outfit. And then for shoes, I'm going to wear these white tennis shoes that are currently wet because I washed them and I really need to dry them. So these are going to have to go like in front of a fan because they are still pretty wet. I was planning on like leaving them outside in the sun today, but it's raining today. So yeah, I'm gonna have to find a different way to dry them. But these are the shoes that I'm bringing. And then I might as well just show you the other pair of shoes that I'm bringing, and that is these Birkenstock. So those are the only 2 pairs of shoes that I'm bringing for this very quick trip. And then for our first full day in DC, so on Friday's kind of loose plans. Like we might go to a couple museums, and then we have like a nice dinner Friday night, but just kind of for during the day, I thought I would wear this really cute athletic dress. This is from Abercrombie. I wear this on so many trips. I just love it because it kind of looks a little bit more dressed up than like your typical your typical athletic dress, but it is unbelievably comfortable. So that is what I'm gonna wear, again, with the white sneakers. And then for like my bag, I'm gonna bring this away crossbody bag. Love, love, Love this bag. I bought this for our Japan trip and it is incredible. If you're looking for a really good, like versatile crossbody travel bag, I highly recommend this. I love the pockets on this bag. So first of all, you have this open, well, it's not open, but a zip front pocket right here. So here, let me demonstrate. So you have this pocket right here. And then you also have, this is one of my favorite pockets, like a little lip gloss chapstick pocket. And as someone who has very chapped lips and is always reaching for their chapstick, I love that this is so handy right here. And then you have the main compartment on the inside that also has a couple pockets and zippers, but this bag is really nice, really comfortable too. Like this has a nice, thick, comfortable strap, which is nice to have, especially if I'm wearing like, you know, more like short sleeves or tank tops. So this will be my purse for the day. And then, like I just said, Friday night, we're going out to a nice dinner. And this is gonna be the only time that I'm going to really like dress up, and it's really not that much of dressing up, but this is what I'm planning on wearing to dinner. So I have my new Abercrombie bra-free top. I love this top so much. It's a beautiful like chocolate brown, and it's one of those like, not reversible, but like switcheroo. I'm gonna call it switcheroo top. So you can either wear it this way or this way. So like the pads come out and you can like move them to like whatever side it is that you're wearing the shirt. But I think I'm gonna wear it this way for out to dinner. And then I have a nice pair of jeans. I think I'm gonna wear jeans. Again, it's gonna be really hot, but I feel like by the time I go to dinner, it'll be nice and cool. And then I'm going to wear my brown Birkenstocks with this. And then I have a little fancy purse that I'm going to bring. And honestly, this purse I'm only gonna use really for this outfit, but I know I'm gonna have room for it, so I'm gonna pack it. Usually I'm the type of person that's like, okay, if you can only use like one pair of shoes or one purse for one outfit, it's not worth bringing, but just because I know I'm gonna have the space, I'm gonna bring it. Next, for Saturday, which is going to be technically our last day. I know, this is a quick trip. It's going by quick already with the outfit planning, but for Saturday, I'm wearing one of my favorite summer outfits, and that is these cutie overalls. These are from, what is the brand? Marsh Wear, and they are really, really comfortable, and I just love them. They are just so unbelievably adorable. Now, for what I'm gonna wear underneath, I'm going to see how I feel once I get to DC. So if it is like really hot, really humid, which I know DC can get, I'm gonna wear just like this athletic tank underneath the overalls. But if it's like not too bad with the humidity, I'm going to wear just like a basic white t-shirt, baby tee underneath. Yeah, but if it is humid, I can't wear this because I feel like I'll be sweating like crazy in this versus just like a nice breathable athletic tank top. And you know, I don't want to have anything tight around my armpits basically if it's super humid out. So I'm gonna bring this as like, we'll see which top gets layered underneath. If you want to place a guess in the comments, go for it. You know, is it going to be super humid and I'm going to want the tank top, or am I going to be fine and I'll wear the t-shirt? We'll see. I'll have to report back. But yeah, those are the outfits. Oh, let me show you. I'm going to wear my white tennis shoes with that, and then I'm going to bring this purse just because it's going to match better. I could wear the black, but I don't know. I feel like this kind of more like cream white purse will look cuter with that outfit. And yeah, those are the outfits. Quick trip, but I am bringing a few backup items. First of all, pair of jean shorts, because you know, you gotta have a pair of jean shorts. An extra t-shirt. I'm thinking I'm gonna wear this on the plane ride home. And then I have an extra like going out top if like maybe Saturday night we decide to like kind of go out bar hopping or something. It's this cute little black bodysuit, which I would either wear with the jean shorts or the jeans, depending how I'm feeling. And then I just have a rain jacket because there's kind of like maybe pop-up showers popping up. The weather keeps changing, so I'm not sure. So I'm like, well, I'll just throw it in my bag. And also it might be nice to have if it gets like a little bit chilly, or if I go into like a museum or somewhere and it's cold, that rain jacket can easily kind of like, I can scrunch up and stuff in one of my bags. But yeah, that is the outfits. Wow, that is like the quickest I've ever done when showing you guys my outfits for packing. But I'm kind of being like, I feel like I got to show you more outfits, but there's there's nothing else to show you. It's a quick trip. So now let me bring you guys over to like the messy area on the bed with all the makeup, tech, all that stuff. So let's do that. Even looking at this pile, I feel like we're gonna whiz through this, but you know what? I'm gonna show it to you all anyway. So first of all, we have a little snack baggie, if you will. I have some liquid IV in here, a granola bar, a little fruit bar, some tea, and this is just if I get hungry on the plane, and liquid IV just to have, always good to have. All this right here is things that are going to go in my purse while we are out and about and exploring. So I have kind of like a little toiletry care kit. So I have some deodorant spray, a little hand lotion, some Tylenol, an extra hair tie. I have an extra like little powder if I need to powder my makeup, some chapstick, lip gloss, mint spray, a little comb, hand sanitizer. I am bringing 2 pairs of sunglasses. Guys, can I just say though, I just got this pair and they are way too freaking cute. Let me model them for you. I feel so chic in these sunglasses. They are so unbelievably cute. And when I had them on the other day, my dad was like, oh, you look like Jackie Kennedy. I was like, oh, thank you. And I'm going to DC. Like, could it be more perfect? These are like my go-to shades of the summer right now. I did get them on Amazon. So if you're interested, I'll have them linked down below. And gosh, I forget this every time I do a pack with me. Anything I can have linked, I will have linked down below. But if you guys know me well, like I am not one to like influence or pressurize people to have to buy a bunch of stuff for a trip. I try not to. I try to save money so that way I can go on more trips. So you don't need the sunglasses, but if you like are like, oh, I love them so much, they're like a 10 out of 10, I have to have them, then you go for them. These weren't very expensive. They were like, I don't know, $14, $15. But yes, anything else though, from the packing stuff that I can link, I'll have linked just in case you're curious. But let me remind you, you don't need new stuff for every trip. Just want to put that out there. And we're back. Okay, so in here I have a couple of necklaces packed. I love this, like, it's just like a jewelry case that probably came with the necklace years ago, but I just keep it to kind of throw some necklaces in so that way they don't tangle during travel. I have my headphones, camera stuff. This is more camera stuff. In here I have basically like toiletry. So I have a razor, dry shampoo, wrinkle release spray. I have my shampoo and conditioner in these little bottles. I love these little bottles. I got them at Target. They're a little bit more expensive than like the average bottle, but they are a nice squeeze bottle and they are very, very secure. So I really love those. I have some hairspray. And then I think my face wash. Yes, my face wash. And then I think I missed this, a little hair oil. So that is what's in there. And then I have my curling iron / hair straightener. This is a 2-in-1. I love this thing so much. Also off Amazon. I'm gonna bring a headband, a claw clip, a little handheld mirror. These are some extra jewelry that I'm bringing that need to go in a little box, which I need to get. In this little bag, I put all of my like cords and electronics. So I have my phone charger, my portable charger, and then we have my makeup and toiletry bag. So starting at the top, it has all of my hair stuff, hair ties, bobby pins. This is all of my makeup. Okay, quick pause on the makeup though, guys. I needed a new bronzer and I just wanted to get something not that expensive off Amazon. So I looked and this was like super highly rated. And I'm obsessed. It is absolutely beautiful on. It's very buildable. It really just gives you like a summer glow. I really, really recommend, and it's super, super affordable. But yep, all of my makeup in here, keeping it really simple with makeup. I might not even use any eyeshadow just because I'll probably be a sweaty mess by the end of the day. So I don't really, I don't know, need extra makeup to be even more sweatier and gross. So I'm gonna keep it pretty simple with makeup. And then in this section, have my hair brushes, some makeup wipes, toothbrush, toothpaste, face lotion, a little perfume, deodorant. I'm going to pack some sunscreen as well. And then in this little section, I don't have a whole lot. I have some extra nails, nail file, extra chapstick, and yeah, that is that. And in case this is your first Pack With Me vlog you are watching, I thought I'd show you my travel backpack. If you've seen my Pack With Me vlogs, you have seen this baby many a times. This is what I use on all of my travels, and she is from Amazon, and you know the thing I love about her the most? She's got lots of pockets and lots of compartments. I mean, it is so easy to stay organized. It also would work great if you are someone that just likes to bring a backpack on a quick weekend trip, because you can like really just put like a packing cube of clothes in there. There's also this bottom compartment that you can use to like stuff some shoes in. It's really, really nice. It's super affordable too, and she just gets the job done. There's not much else I can say about her. I use her every trip. If I'm going halfway across the world or just a quick weekend trip, I'm bringing this backpack. Yeah, that's the pack with me vlog. That felt like the most zippity doo dah pack with me vlog ever. Like, I really am like, oh my God, am I forgetting something? Did I not show you something? The only thing I can think of is like my bras and socks and underwear and pajamas, but you know, you got to bring that on every trip. It's not that exciting. I'm not going to show that on the internet, but yeah, that's what I'm bringing for this quick weekend trip. But I'm so excited. I can't believe we leave tomorrow. I actually need to check into my flight soon. I'm looking down at my clock here. Yeah, almost time to check into the flight. So I am super excited about this trip. If you guys want to come along our DC adventure and any of my other travel adventures, like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure you subscribe down below. And if you did enjoy this vlog, please, please, please give it a big thumbs up. That helps out my channel so much, but first and foremost just means the world to me. So yeah, if you guys could leave a like, and that is gonna be it for this vlog though, but I will see you guys very soon in DC. Bye! You got me loose and set me free.